Welcome to Delkevic on YouTube. This bike has been fitted with a Delkevic oval 18-inch or 450mm carbon fibre exhaust. Using motorsport testing protocol, noise levels are 98 to 100 decibels without the baffle and 96 to 98 decibels with the baffle. It's on our dyno as part of the development we do for every system we make. This testing allows us to confirm that no fueling modifications are necessary. You simply fit and ride. Thanks for watching this video. We hope it's been informative and that you've enjoyed it. If so, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button and also subscribing, which will enable us to keep you up to date with our latest content releases and special offers.